everyone, if the Bluetooth on your Windows 11 PC isn't working, I'm going to show you 5 ways to fix this issue. So for the first method, first power off your laptop, then unplug the power cord from any power source, then press and hold down the power button for at least 30 seconds to discharge any residual power, then turn your PC back on, plug the cord back in, and try using the Bluetooth. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. For the next step, press Windows plus R, then enter the following services.msc, then hit enter. And here we're going to look for Bluetooth. It's arranged alphabetically, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. And what we do for this first Bluetooth option here, we're going to do for the other two. Right click and select properties. Then under startup type, change it from manual to automatic. And if the service status isn't running, click on start, then hit apply, then OK. Do the same for the other two options. And once you've done that, cancel this, head over here and restart your PC. Then try using Bluetooth once again. And if that still doesn't work, move on to the next step. In the search bar here, enter settings, open up settings, scroll down to troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and at the top here you should see Bluetooth. If you don't see it at the top, simply scroll down, it shouldn't be far. Then click on run, and Windows will scan your device to find any issues with Bluetooth. Simply follow the instructions, on-screen instructions, to diagnose and fix any issues with your Bluetooth. Then try connecting to your Bluetooth once again. If that still doesn't work, move on to the next step. For the next step, press Windows plus X on your keyboard, then open up Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand this section Bluetooth, and you might have more than one option here, but I only have one. If you do, you need to do the following for the rest. Right click on this and select Update Driver, then select Search Automatically for drivers. If it shows you the best driver for your device is already installed, right click, select Uninstall Device, then restart your device to automatically reinstall it. Try connecting to your Bluetooth once again, and if that doesn't work, move on to the final step. For the final step, we're going to check our PC for any updates. Once again, open up Settings, then on the left side, click on Windows Updates, and if you see any new updates, install them, as these may include fixes for any Bluetooth issues you may have. Try connecting to your Bluetooth once again. If all these steps don't work for you, it may be that your Bluetooth adapter has been damaged. If this is the case, you need to use a USB Bluetooth adapter as a replacement. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.